Howdy, Dan Bass here on D-Bass Tube. My father is about to put together a Redneck air conditioner. Go ahead and hand me the camera. I will introduce you. This here is James Bass. Howdy. This is an Igloo ice chest that he's going to turn into a Redneck air conditioner. And what other parts are you using for this contraption?
PVC 90-degree angle. Have a whatever that's called. It will be used for the second step. And I have a fan.
It's right
down
here.
Honeywell.
That's not your biggest.
It's a Honeywell. Don't know the model. It's a 3-speed, but I hope it will work well with this.
Walk through what you're about to do.
Well, the premise is that you contain ice within the insulated ice chest. You add an input fan that will draw, intake fan that will draw air into the cooled environment, and then you have the hole drilled on the other side that you insert this 90-degree angle, and very cold air comes out, and so you have air conditioning.
That is absolutely genius. Yes,
Similar to that.
that was my daughter demonstrating what it would be like to cold air from
Hi.
It's gonna feel good.
Okay, so let me run through this real quickly. We'll need a jigsaw. We'll need a power drill, something to mark your top with, and a ruler to make sure you're relatively in the center of where you want to be. So I'm going to get this all off the table. It starts with the fan. You position this where you want it to where it is sucking air into the ice chest. And then you take a pencil or mark, go around the perimeter circumference, and I already have that marked off, and so the next step is to cut it out. But that goes in 2 steps. First step is a drill. My jigsaw is a 1/4 inch, and so I've gone to 5/16 drill that I will be drilling a pilot hole. Let's see, right about there. Hopefully this will work. By the way, this is the first time I've tried this. Oh, it worked just fine. Okay, so I've got a pilot hole, and the reason for that is the next one. Take your jigsaw and hopefully cut the circle out. Hopefully will be just the right size we need. I'll probably clean that up a little bit more towards the end of the process, just to make sure it's sitting as deep as it can without falling in. And now we're moving on to make the hole for the outlet pipe that will be blowing conditioned air. So I've got this lined up where I want it. I'm going to go ahead and mark it to cut. And there we go. We're using the same process. Need to drill a pilot hole, 5/16 for the 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch jigsaw blade. The fitting fits right here. It's purposefully tight. There we go. Pops right in place. All right, come down, and then the 90-degree will fit right on top.
Brilliant.
Except for the ice in the box, we are in business.
All right. We have a bona fide, official, certified redneck air conditioner. Good job, Grandpa Bass.
Thank you.
Wow, it's cold. Wow.
Is that frost on your nose?
I think it is. My boogers are turning into snowflakes. My finally.
Thanks, sir.
You're welcome.
This is Dan Bass and Grandpa Bass signing off from D Bass 2. Adios.